South Korea's data center market is booming, growing 15 to 20% annually. Major tech giants like Google, Meta, and Microsoft are investing, drawn by Korea's advanced infrastructure, government incentives, and rising cloud demand. With over 15 submarine cables and world-leading 5G networks, Korea connects seamlessly to major APAC markets. The Digital New Deal 2.0 fuels further expansion. Top locations include Seoul, Incheon, and Pangyo, where hyperscale developments from Equinix and Digital Realty are underway. However, investors must navigate talent shortages, regulations, and energy demands. Solutions include local partnerships, compliance strategies, and green energy adoption. Successful market entry requires strategic planning, the right location, and strong local partnerships. Now is the time to invest in Korea's digital future.